What's up, Facebook, YouTube, everybody in between? How y'all doing? Out here at the range, and we finna blow some shit up. And way down there on the 50-yard line is my old cell phone, taped to a 2-pound canister of tannerite. Now I'm gonna take a few shots at that target on the right, see where I'm at, and then boom! But in the meantime, I'm gonna hand you over to my new camera girl. Oh, might want to put your hearing protection on. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Moto. Oh. Good God. That was a brand new post. There's some of the little Gatorade can it came in. I ain't seeing no pieces of my phone nowhere. Like nowhere. Holy shit. Did you even see where it went?
Uh-uh.
I mean, it should have launched it that way. Look at the back of that post. Oh. Oh, that's more can.
Yeah, the can should have gone more that way.
Yeah.
The phone itself should have gone this way.
You would think.
That's why I was trying to look this way for pieces, but...
There's some of the tape. More of the tape. Well, no, that's something else. God almighty. It might have just evaporated it. No.
Hey, there's a piece of it.
Or something. Oh, yeah, that's the battery compartment right there. Oh.
There's like some more of it over here.
I don't know what that is. A piece of the screen. Oh. Something else back here. The actual screen.
There you go. Your Samsung right there.
Oh. Yeah, that's done.
I don't think you get service out here no more.
No. Oh. There's some more pieces of it over here. God dang. No. I didn't think it'd do all that. I figured it'd like blow it in two or something, you know.
No, that's all I see of it.
Oh. But now you've seen this, every time you say somebody's blowing up your phone, you're going to think about this video. But in the meantime, y'all take it easy, have fun, be safe. I'll see you later.